one thing I liked most was seeing like members in your group, in your workshop, like coming from having no clue about the scripture into like knowing how to break down scripture and like find actual meaning in it. It's been wonderful seeing guys participating, like we can getting like different ideas from different people and like incorporating it into one basic idea. Brother Musa was preaching on Isaiah, and I would say I love most the first talk actually because it's exposed me to God's holiness, which I was not aware of, and it's amazing to see that this holy God that like we have seen, we're not supposed to come before this holy God, but somehow makes a way for Isaiah to come before him, and that's how welcome we are to this wonderful God that we serve. And it's been amazing just to see all these talks progressing into Ephesians and by Brother Ryan, and we learn a lot from them, and it's been my highlight so far that we can just